How to check your transaction history on crypto.com. This is going to be a quick video. There's really no too many steps involved. Why would you want to find your transaction history in crypto.com? Well, maybe you think somebody got into your account and started transferring out your crypto.com. Whatever the case is, it's easy to process. It's it's all handled here in the app. It's this blue and white one right here. I'm going to open up my crypto.com app. Now, okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my crypto.com app. On the home screen, if you want to find your transaction history in crypto.com, there's actually two different ways you can find it. The first way, click on account, and the second way, you can click on this card on the button on the bottom right. We'll start by accounts. It's look like a little wallet, but in order to see your transaction history, click on this clock icon on the top right. You will see all the transaction history for your crypto.com account. This includes all transaction history from fiat transaction and crypto transaction, as well as you can see Bitcoin, AXS right here. So let me go ahead and go back to the home page once again. Here we are on home page for the second way to find your transaction history. Click on card button. Now you have to click the clock icon on here in this transaction history. We will show you all the transaction history for your crypto.com card. So if you see it at the gas station, or if you use it to buy something at 7-Eleven, or whatever the case is. If you like the video, give me thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button.